Understanding the phrase, cut your losses, a guide for English learners. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, cut your losses. This phrase is widely used in both business and everyday life. Understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English comprehension and expression. So, let's get started. Cut your losses has both a literal and figurative meaning. Originally, it comes from the world of finance and investing. Literally, it means to sell off an asset that is losing value, to prevent further loss. However, figuratively, it's used in everyday English to mean stopping an activity that is not successful, to avoid wasting more time, effort, or resources. This phrase is quite versatile. Let's explore how it's used in various contexts. In business, financial decisions, it's often used when discussing investments or business ventures that are not profitable. In personal life, relationships, sometimes people use this phrase when talking about ending relationships that are not working out. General decision-making. It can also apply to any situation where continuing would lead to more loss or disappointment. To understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Business scenario. The product isn't selling well. We should cut our losses and stop production. 2. Personal decision. I've spent too much time trying to fix this old car. It's time to cut my losses and buy a new one. 3. Relationship advice. They've been unhappy for years. It might be time for them to cut their losses and go their separate ways. It's important to note that cut your losses is not always negative. It's about making a smart decision to avoid further trouble or loss. It doesn't necessarily mean that the entire venture was a mistake, just that it's no longer beneficial to continue. I hope this video helps you understand and use cut your losses effectively in your conversations. Remember, it's all about recognizing when it's more beneficial to stop an activity than to continue. Keep practicing, and you'll be using English phrases like a native in no time. Until our next lesson, happy learning!